Active transport. Diffusion and osmosis do not account for the transport of all substances across cell membranes. Substances such as amino acids, sugars, and many ions do not easily diffuse across cell membranes even if their concentration on one side is greater than on the other side. Although able to diffuse across cell membranes, the requirements of the cell for such substances cannot be fully met by diffusion alone. These substances also get into the cell by the process of active transport. Active transport is the process by which substances move across the cell membrane against a concentration gradient. This process requires energy for the substances to move across the cell membrane. It is suggested that there are carriers on the cell membranes which combine with substances being transported, and then move them from one side of the membrane to the other. It is by active transport that seaweeds take up large quantities of iodine from their surrounding sea water, and accumulate it in their tissue at higher concentration than the sea water. It is important to note that cellular intake of solutes is largely dependent on active transport. Factors affecting active transport. Any factor that affects the process of respiration affects energy production, and this influences the rate of active transport. Such factors include oxygen concentration, enzyme inhibitors, and temperature. Role of active transport. Reabsorptions of sugars and some salts in the kidney. Useful substances are reabsorbed back into the bloodstream from the kidney tubules by active transport. Absorption of mineral salts from the soil by roots. Absorption of digested food from the alimentary canal into the bloodstream. Accumulations of substances into the body to offset osmotic imbalance in arid and saline environments. Excretion of waste products from body cells. Thank you for watching this biology lesson. Please subscribe to this channel and other Genius channels relevant to your level of study.